look so crusty. Currently 7:31 a.m. It's October 22. It's a Tuesday. And baka nagtataka kayo bakit wala ako sa school and it's 7:30 na. First subject namin is online class. Nag-announce yung prof namin kagabi na online na lang. Pero yung second subject ko is face-to-face. I have to leave pa later to go to school. I'm just combing my hair kasi kakaligo ko lang para mamaya wala na ako iintindihin after my online class. Mag-aayos na lang ako and all. And I'm using a wide tooth comb lang to comb my hair while it's wet. Kasi kapag brush, it will like result to like frizzy hair. Also, sinipag ako today and nagluto ako ng breakfast agad. Ayan, nakaset up na yung laptop ko for online class. Pero I have some scrambled eggs with cheese and very buttery because I like those kinds of scrambled eggs. Gusto ko yung parang medyo liquidy, like the Gordon Ramsay scrambled eggs. But like I also have some bacon which is like medyo crispy, and then I put like brown sugar on it kasi gusto ko medyo sweet, and then some rice. Of course, hindi pwede mawala yung rice. I'll probably eat while having class para, you know, multitask and hindi sayang yung oras. Mamaya siguro mag-review rin ako for my exam tomorrow kasi meron kaming oral exam and kinakabahan talaga ako for it kasi hindi ko master yung subject. Going back to my oral exam tomorrow, kinakabahan talaga ako kasi hindi ako confident about the subject. So, I really need to, like, study it hard. Dalawa yung exams ko for tomorrow is ang botany lecture and then yung LSV, which is yun yung oral exam na hindi ako confident. But yeah, I'm so scared. Pero, I'll eat na muna now and I'll update you guys later. I love midterms. So, may midterms natin. Guys. Hi guys, hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo kanina, pero nasuspend yung class ko kanina afternoon. Di ba na-mention ko nung morning na isang subject na lang ipapasukan ko kasi online class yung first subject. And halfway through our class, nagsuspend yung mayor ng city ng school ko. So, I had to go home and nakauwi siguro ako kanina dito ng mga 2:30 or 3 p.m. Almost 3 p.m. And then, I slept like hanggang 4:30. And then, nag-review ako kanina before eating dinner. And then, ngayon, nag-announce na naman yung school or like yung mayor ng city ng school ko na wala na naman kaming pasok tomorrow, which is a good thing kasi super hirap ng subjects for tomorrow's exams. But, that's not gonna stop me from reviewing. I ordered coffee kasi sabi ko hindi ako matutulog tonight para makapag-review talaga ako ng maayos dun sa mahirap na subjects for tomorrow's exams. Those that are experiencing the Typhoon Christine, I hope all of you guys are safe. I think I'm just gonna review a different subject, which is for our Thursday's exam. Kasi may 2 subjects rin ako for Thursday kasi tomorrow, Wednesday, yun yung na-cancel. Medyo marami rin siya, so I need a lot of time to review the topic. So, that's my agenda for tonight. I'll be reviewing na, and yeah, if you guys are reviewing too, sabay na tayo mag-aral. Let's go! welcome back to another vlog, or this will be like a study vlog. I mean, it's still like college diaries, pero in this college diary episode, it's gonna be like full of studying because it's our midterm. So yeah, you will see a lot of studying in this video, or like most of it are gonna be studying. It's basically my agenda, and then I still have class tomorrow. But yeah, I just really want this to be finished because I'm so tired. I just want to enjoy my break. Our midterms was moved next week na, pero I'm going to take an exam tomorrow, which is for my botany laboratory exam, since nauuna yung mga lab classes namin magpa-exam like a week before our like written exams. So that's what I'm currently studying, and siguro mag-all-nighter ako, or like I'm just gonna study hanggang mamayang like late, since medyo marami-rami to, and I haven't started yet because kala ko mamamove rin tong exam namin next week, but no, hindi siya nakasama sa different schedule. But yeah, I'm going to study now, and hopefully matapos ako ng maaga so I can sleep early then. So yeah, let's go. Update. Hello Louis. Date, it is 7:41 p.m. and I am halfway through the first lesson I'm doing, like notes, kasi medyo mahaba tong lesson na to, and I'm in slide 21 out of 45. Patapos na rin naman, pero yeah, I'm kind of overwhelmed, pero I think my coffee is working naman kasi I feel like hindi na ako yung naantok, unlike kanina. Guys, good morning. So I just finished eating my lunch. I just ate real quick. It's actually 11:38 pa lang, so medyo early yung lunch ko today. But I'm currently reviewing because I have my exams tomorrow. Well, currently it's my on-desk break, but it's Sunday and we're gonna be back tomorrow for school. And tomorrow na-move yung midterms namin, so I really have to review because what I've been doing the past few days are basically like sleeping, resting, currently doing like index cards kasi I'm trying to like explore some like study habits or study techniques, guys. Hindi siya flashcards, pero it's basically like notes sa index cards, and I don't know, it's just like easier to just like memorize it like using a small card. Kasi minsan rin kapag sa iPad, like yung attention span ko medyo mabilis. I'm not feeling well and I'm just trying to pull myself together because for the past 2 days, may mga happenings here. And I'm not really comfortable on sharing it pa muna. But, yeah, it's about my pet. But, yeah, I can do this. I really don't have a choice. Yeah, let's go. Let's study. Currently 1:16 p.m. I just took a break no mga 1:05. Nahiga lang ako saglit. And now I'm gonna go back to studying. I'm still not finished with my notes sa index cards. I think 3 topics na lang yung kulang ko and then I'm done. I do my notes. I'm going to like memorize them and then like really study them. Mamaya may pupuntahan kami nila mama saglit, and also I need to buy more index cards, and I'm planning to buy a whiteboard para kapag nagre-review ako, like isusulat ko doon and tsaka ko siya i-discuss like active recall. But yeah, I'm just really like exploring some study techniques kung ano yung pinaka magiging effective sa akin. But yeah, I'll bring you guys along later na lang rin if pumunta ako sa mall to buy those things. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to reviewing na muna. Finished taking a bath. Hindi na ako nagbasa ng hair ko because I don't really wash my hair every day. I usually wash it like thrice a week. Basta hindi every day. My favorite skincare products ngayon, this is not sponsored, but these are from Snail White. Yung Snail Serum and Snail Cream. I swear, it's really nice. I'm still not finished reviewing kasi I have 2 subjects to review today. And halos hindi pa ako tapos dun sa first subject. So, I'm literally procrastinating my review for my midterms, which is not good. Huwag niyo akong tularan, guys. Pero, kaya yan. Tinatamad na ako mag-makeup. Receive yung bagong release nung Essie, yung mga setting sprays or like, I believe this one is a prepping mist and then this one is yung setting spray. Pero, I like using this one before my makeup. Kasi nga, prepping mist siya. Pero, parang mas maganda yung lapat ng makeup ko after I use this product. So, patuyuin lang natin, of course. Trying to cheer myself up and wag na masyadong mag-isip-isip. Kasi, I feel like kapag may isip ko na naman yung ayoko sabihin, okay? Kasi baka maiyak ako. Trying to pull myself together and cheer myself up. I can do this. Just put on a little bit of concealer. Lip prep. Let's use this Azul na lip plumper. How about you guys? Kamusta na kayo? I know I've been so parang halos every video ko sinasabi ko na ang inactive ko, pero I really want to upload, guys. As in, kung kaya ko lang hatiin yung katawan ko na yung isa nag-aaral, yung isa nag-edit ng video gagawin ko. Just overthink my content. Like, I feel like it's becoming repetitive and baka hindi nyo na magustuhan yun. Pero, I feel like hindi naman kasi ang dami sa inyong nagme-message sa akin na mag-upload na ako. Vlog ako before this, so nagfi-film ako, guys. Hindi ko lang talaga mahanap yung time na mag-edit. Ang dami kong sinasabi. Alam nyo, this sophomore year, kahit kakasimula pa lang, or I mean, hindi naman kakasimula pa lang ng second year ko, pero I can really tell the difference na to sa first year. Kasi, mas mahirap na ngayon, guys, as in. I feel ko yung pagiging college student this year, kasi malaki rin yung factor siguro yung lagi na ako nagko-commute. I don't know, guys, I'm sorry kung para sa inyo malit na bagay lang yung pagko-commute, pero ako kasi, like, ever sa school life ko, ngayon lang talaga ako nakapag-commute, yung talagang jeep, bus, and yun. isang factor yun kung bakit pagod na pagod ako araw-araw. And I don't know, okay lang naman sa akin kasi para mas maging street smart ako kasi guys, I'm not street smart at all. Really proud of it, as in nahihiya ako kapag like hindi ako marunong sa mga directions or like I don't know how to commute. But now, I think I'm improving. Pigmented itong blush na to from Lucky Beauty. Itong, bang tawag dito? Ethereal Liquid Flush. Oh my god, malulubat na ako guys. I just got home. SM lang rin ako, diba? Kasi na-mention ko kanina na I have to buy something sa National Bookstore or like I need to buy something. Some coffee because for sure I'll be doing an all-nighter tonight. And I just got my usual orders at Tim Hortons, which is yung iced double French vanilla. It's like so good. And talagang gising ako when I drink this coffee. And I also got a donut para mamaya, just in case magutom ako, I have like a little snack. Look at my doggy. Naka-polo siya. And for my National Bookstore bag, first I got a whiteboard kasi I really want to like write out the things that I'm going to review. Just like for active recall. First, I got a whiteboard marker. Yeah, a whiteboard marker. And then yung eraser para hindi aksayado pag tissue yung gamit ko. A bunch of index cards. Iba't ibang sizes. I have yung like one whole ba yung tawag dito? Basta yung pinakamalaki. This for my reviewers. I have this one. It's 4x6. It's slightly smaller. But like my favorite ball pens. This is from Dong-A. Actually, Dong-A is like one of my, but ayaw mag-focus. Lastly, I got this one, which is yung may mga paper clips, may mga foldable clips, bulldog clips. Those are the things I got, and now I need to review again. I need to continue making like my review cards. And yeah, natin ako. Excuse me. Take this as a sign to review. Huwag ka nang mahiga dyan. Huwag ka nang mag-procrastinate. Start now, okay? Guys, it's 7:24 p.m. I'm on to my last 2 topics for my first subject that I'm reviewing. So I have another one, which is an oral exam. Continue na my review cards, and yeah, update ko kayo from time to time.